Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Comic Kit is probably one of the most creative and engaging ways to unleash your child's imagination, allowing them to craft their own captivating comic book adventures filled with unique characters, thrilling plots, and stunning artwork, transforming their storytelling dreams into tangible reality and fostering a love for art and narrative. Number 5. My Comic Book Making Kit. Unleash your child's inner artist with our comic book making kit. It's the perfect way for them to bring their imaginative stories to life. This kit includes a brand new guidebook, packed with tips and tricks to help your child create amazing characters, settings, and artwork. Watch as your child designs and illustrates their very own 18-page comic book, ready to be printed and shared with the world. It even lets your child feature themselves as the published author on the back cover. What a fantastic way to showcase their creativity. The kit has everything: templates, markers, an order form, a postage-paid envelope, and clear instructions. It's ready to use right out of the box. This kit is designed and printed in the USA, ensuring high-quality materials and quick delivery for your child's masterpiece. If you have any questions, our customer service team is happy to assist you. Contact us by email or phone for support. What we like? It allows you to create a full-color comic book with 18 pages and prints it for you. If you are looking for a complete solution to create and print your child's comic book, and want it to look professional, you should consider this one. It's perfect for kids who want to see their work published and shared with others. Number 4. Kid-Made Modern Comic Book Kit. It's time to get creative. This kit provides everything your child needs to create their own amazing comic books. Watch their imagination come to life on paper. The kit includes premium comic book paper and a layout designed to inspire storytelling. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced young artists. With 5 books and other supplies, it's easy to share the fun with friends and family. Let them tell stories of superheroes, dinosaurs, or anything they can imagine. This is the perfect screen-free activity to encourage creativity and storytelling. It's a great rainy day project or a unique gift for any creative child. A child's imagination is boundless. This kit helps capture those magical stories and adventures, turning them into tangible keepsakes. Whether your child is new to storytelling or already a creative whiz, this kit offers the tools and inspiration to create incredible comic books. What we like? This kit comes with 5 books, making it perfect for sharing with friends and family. If you are looking for a screen-free activity that encourages creativity and collaboration, this is a great option. It's ideal for kids who love to tell stories and share their creations with others. What people say. Package is very cool, plus also serves as a long-term container to keep the kit together. There are several items included, all of which were in working condition. Everything inside the box is nice quality and he has a great time making real comics. It comes with 2 black comic books that has thick, almost cardboard-like paper. It's very sturdy. It has what you need to start a little comic book. Number 3. Kid-Made Modern Comic Book Kit. It's time to create your own amazing comic book. This kit has everything you need to bring your wildest stories to life. With 32 blank pages, you have endless possibilities to design your own colorful comic book. Let your imagination run wild. This kit is perfect for kids who love graphic novels. It's a great way to foster creativity and storytelling skills. It comes with a blank comic book, markers, stencils, stamps, ink pads, and even ink bottles. Everything is neatly stored in a handy box. Give the gift of creativity. It's an inspiring gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's fun for ages 6 and up. It's a fantastic way for kids to express themselves and explore their creativity without limits. Get ready for hours of fun. What we like? It offers a 32-page blank comic book and a variety of tools to customize it. If you like to provide your child with many tools and a blank canvas to let their imagination run wild, this is the one for you. It's great for kids who love to express themselves creatively and have a lot of room to experiment. What people say. The pages are super thick like cardstock paper and each page has different version of squares for comic art. The box came right away and had everything it said it would in the description. I was very pleased with how it was packed. No ink was spilled out. Everything came individually wrapped. Great item that includes everything needed to get started. Number 2. Made by Me Comic Book Kit. Unleash your inner artist with this complete comic making kit. It has everything you need to bring your wildest stories to life. Learn professional drawing techniques with our easy-to-follow guide. It'll help you draw amazing characters and scenes. Add some extra flair to your comic with the included stickers and stamps. They're perfect for adding action and excitement. Bring your characters to life with 5 vibrant markers. Color your comic with bright, bold colors. This kit includes a 15-page hardcover comic book, ready for your amazing illustrations and stories. It's the perfect size to showcase your creativity. With everything you need in one box, creating your own comic book has never been easier or more fun. Let your imagination run wild. What we like? This kit includes a hardcover comic book, a how-to-draw guide, and fun stickers. If you want a high-quality, durable comic book with extra creative elements, this is a great choice. It's perfect for kids who want to learn new drawing techniques and add extra flair to their storytelling. What people say. He loves to create his own comic books, so this was the perfect gift for him. He spends hours making and creating his own stories. He can draw for hours and loves making up his own stories and drawing cartoons. This is a highly giftable set that will be added to our short list for friends and classmates. Best age is likely for kids with a great imagination who are reading and writing independently, so likely 2nd grade for most, 1st for some, through maybe 4th, 5th grade, 7 to 10, depending on how mature the youngster is and when they begin to think of certain things as babyish. Number 1. Kid-made modern comic book kit. Do you dream of creating your own comic book adventures? This kit gives you everything you need to bring your imagination to life. Let's get started. It's packed with everything you need: templates, drawing tools, and even story prompts to help you create your own unique comic book. The templates make it simple to lay out your panels and create a professional-looking comic. It's perfect for beginners and experienced artists alike. Develop your characters, plot twists, and exciting storylines. It's your chance to become a master storyteller. Once you've finished your masterpiece, share it with friends and family. Show off your incredible creativity. This kit provides hours of creative fun and helps develop valuable storytelling and artistic skills. Get ready to be amazed by your own creations. What we like? It's a simple, fun, and affordable way to get started with making comics. If you are looking for a basic and easy-to-use kit to introduce your child to the world of comic book creation, this is a great starting point. It's suitable for all ages and skill levels. What people say. Pages are thick where nothing bleeds through, including markers. My son loved this kit and asked for another because he loves the style of the comic book and the markers. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.